Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a seashell appear glossy. When you're doing crafts, you might want to just give it a little bit more luster, and you can rub it down with mineral oil to give a nice sheen. But if you want to do something that is a little more permanent, you can just go ahead and use clear nail polish. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, just like you were painting your nails. Just go ahead and give it a nice coat. You could even, if you wanted to, use a polish with a little bit of glitter in it for a different effect. But to just make it shiny, this does the trick. It absorbs a lot of it, so you have to keep going in and filling up your brush. But it really does give it a nice luster. And that's how you can make a seashell appear glossy. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.